Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to close trade in Binance. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to use it or how to do it under futures and how to do it on spot. So for futures, you have multiple ways right here. You got to select the open position. For example, this one. Now you can go ahead and make it smaller until you find, okay, market. So just click on market and it will automatically or instantly closes the position. And it is, of course, at the best or current best market price. Okay, so the other option is by using limit right here. This one allows you to set a specific price to exit, which closes the position when the market hits the price. And the other option, of course, is to close all of it right here. Just click on this close all positions button. Okay, now for spots, let's go ahead over to spots right here. Now, for example, we would like to select a trading pair, maybe just OG USDT right here, just for example. Okay, yes, accept, yes, confirm. Now, for example, we would like to sell it. Okay, maybe 100%, and just basically sell it. Okay, for you to be able to have a sale order, and that is, of course, for the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to close. All right, and there you have it. That is how you close trades in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.